Shromani Akali Dal has asserted that the preparation of a uniform civil code and its implementation will have an adverse impact on minority and tribal communities throughout India. Senior leader Daljit Singh Chima, in a statement in Chandigarh city, said that SAD has always opposed the preparation of a uniform civil code for the entire country and will submit its reservations on this issue to the 22nd Law Commission as well as in the Indian Parliament. Hindutva fanatics assaulted 5 youngsters in Indian southern state Karnataka. A group of youngsters comprising 2 Muslims and a Hindu boy along with 2 Hindu girls was on a sightseeing tour in Karnataka. After visiting the Abbey Falls, they parked their car and hired a jeep to travel to the peak. When the youngsters returned to the spot where they had parked their car, they were surrounded by about 30 Hindutva fanatics who violently questioned the interreligious nature of the group. Internet shutdowns by the authorities like the one in Manipur and Punjab cost 1.9 million US dollars to the Indian economy in the first half of 2023, a report said. The shutdowns also led to a loss of nearly 118 million US dollars in the foreign investment and triggered over 21,000 job losses, the global non-profit Internet Society said in its report, Net Loss. Scores of Hindutva students started chanting Jai Shri Ram slogans near the place where the Muslim students were offering prayers in the Rajasthan. The unpleasant saga came to light as the video clips of the incident went viral on the social media. The video shows Muslim students offering prayers inside a designated room and a crowd of students shouting Hindutva slogans outside. National Conference President Farooq Abdullah has said that India should not push through the Uniform Civil Code and rethink the consequences of implementing it.